I got the Sephora Favorites Luxe Play Box. I really like these because it gives you an opportunity to try a deluxe sample size of a product before making the commitment of purchasing the full size. May save you some money if it's not a product that performed the way that you thought it would. So inside this month's Sephora Luxe La Mer Moisturizing Soft Cream in 0.24 ounce 7 milliliters, which honestly is almost gone already. Tatcha Liquid Silk Canvas. I have yet to try this one. A long-lasting makeup and flawless super smooth finish primer. Then we have the new YSL Glow and Balm, another face priming moisturizer. I have tried this one. I'm really interested in trying the new face tint as well. I bet they perform really well together. The Lash Clash by YSL Extreme Volumizing Mascara. I did another shorts on this if you're interested in trying it. It's intense black pigment and massive volume in a smudge proof mascara. Then we have Jizu Heat Me, Treat Me, Complete Me. I really like these products. I love the honey smell in them. It's a propolis infused heat protecting spray that's going to protect your hair from styling tools as well as sun protection. And lastly, Victor Rolf's Flower Bomb L'Eau de Parfum. You need to see this cute little bottle. It's a deluxe sample size, notes of jasmine, orange blossom, and patchouli, and just the cutest little bottle. So even as a deluxe sample size, it's still just so cute. So there you have it. The Luxe Favorites box by Sephora. I believe this is $25, which the La Mer alone, I think, makes the box worth it. But I always enjoy getting these, trying those deluxe sizes of the samples without so much of a price commitment. Plus this snap box, which you can use to store other things that you may like. And how cute is that with the purple?